Hello everyone, in this video we will go through exam preparation questions from the chapters Agricultural Practices, Microorganisms, Cell Structure, Synthetic Fibers, and which are in our syllabus. So the first question is, chemical substances that increase the fertility of the soil are called. So what are the substances called? And these are chemical substances that increase the fertility of the soil. So these are called fertilizers. Next question. First manufactured fully synthetic fiber. So that is nylon. We can go for rayon also, but actually rayon is made by using some natural raw material, that is the pulp of wood. So the first manufactured fully synthetic fiber that was made by man, that is nylon. Cell was discovered by. Who discovered cells? So the cell was discovered by Robert Hooke in the year 1665. In which cell nuclear membrane is absent? In which cell nuclear membrane is absent? It is not present. That is prokaryotic cells. And the nuclear membrane is present in eukaryotic cells. What is the direction of force of friction? As we studied in the chapter, it is just opposite to it. Opposite to the direction of force applied. Remains of plants and animals buried under the earth, crushed for millions of years, led to the formation of. So when plants and animals which were dead, they were buried under the earth. So what got formed by this process when they got buried under the earth crust? This led to the formation of fossil fuels like coal and petroleum. Resources which are available in limited quantity and their overuse is leading them to depletion. So what are these resources called? These are exhaustible resources like coal and petroleum, wildlife, forestry, organisms that can't be seen by our naked eyes. These are microorganisms. They can be seen under the microscope. Is rolling frictional force greater than static frictional force? No, because static frictional force is that in which the object is at rest. From rest, when it will come in motion, a lot of force is to be applied. But if it is already in motion or it is in round shape, the friction will be less. So as compared to the static friction, the rolling friction is less. So is rolling frictional force greater than static frictional force? No. Separation of chaff from food grains. So what is this process called? Winnowing. Special components present inside the cell are called the parts of cell organelles. Cork of the plant is made up of what type of cells? Dead or living? So the cork of the plant, it is made up of dead cells. Therefore it is rigid. Remains of plants and animals which were buried under the large ocean beds led to the formation of which fossil fuel? So the organisms which were buried under the ocean beds that led to the formation of petroleum, also known as liquid gold. And one more fossil fuel we get, that is natural gas. Substances that are made up of only one kind of atoms, element, like hydrogen, oxygen. Is friction a necessary evil? Yes, because if friction is not there, we cannot bring any object which is in motion to rest or from rest to motion. It will be not easy for us to write, to stop, to run, or to control the actions which we are performing. So it is a necessary evil. What is the jelly-like fluid present in the cells in between the cell organelles called? that is cytoplasm. What is the basic functional and structural unit of life, that is cell? Which part, that is the cell organelles of the cell, is known as powerhouse of the cell, that is mitochondria? Mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of the cell. Slow decomposition of dead remains of plants and animals buried under the earth that led to the formation of coal. This process is called, that is carbonization. Which fibers are used in the making of mountain climbing ropes? So these are nylon fibers. Hope so this video was helpful in your exam preparation. Thank you.